is Mrs. Brown and the Brown kids.
This is Cow.
Moo.
Cow drinks her bathtub full of water. This is Duck.
Quack, quack.
Duck swims in his pond.
Quack. This is Tree. Tree drinks water with her roots and gives us air to breathe.
This is Pig. Pig waddles in the mud.
This is Horse. Horse eats the nice green grass. This is Chicken. Chicken pecks the ground.
Here are the dogs and cats. They don't really do anything.
These are Farmer Brown's neighbors. They all lived happily together.
Well, I got me a thimble, and got me a fiddle. When the sun's coming up, I got cakes on the griddle. Life ain't nothing but a fun to run on. Thank God I'm a country boy. Yee-hoo!
Until the drought came.
Farmer Brown panicked.
The animals panicked. The neighbors watered their lawns to keep them green. Duck's pond dried up. The neighbors watered their lawns to keep them green.
Cow's milk production slowed, and Horse couldn't find any grass.
The neighbors watered their lawns to keep them green.
Tree wilted and Pig coughed in the dust.
The neighbors watered their lawns to keep them green.
Chicken tried to fly east.
Dog and cat finally did something.
Constant sorrow. I am a man of constant sorrow. Got no water for my land. He's got no water for his land. He is a man of constant sorrow. He's got no water for his land. He's got no water for his land. I need some help to save some water. Got no water for my life. He's got no water for his land.